Let's talk about option period negotiation. And I'm going to sum it up with this. Do the freaking work. Do the work. Do the job. I'm going to get into what I mean by that in just a second. My name is Ozzie Mayers. I'm with AEA Realty. I'm with the AskOzzie.com real estate team and AEA coaching. And I love helping agents to grow and scale their business. I'm going to get onto this topic. I call it do the freaking work. This is option period negotiation. And this is where I see a lot of agents leave a lot on the table and they can actually benefit their client at the highest level. Because that's what we want to do. We want to get our clients the best possible deal and represent them to the fullest as a professional. We should all want to do that. If you don't, maybe just stop this video and get out of the way because we are not on the same wavelength. But if you are, you want to do the best job, fully represent your people and get the best opportunity for them, this is how you should be negotiating your option period. So in Texas, I'm in Houston, this may be different in other places, but we have an option period where you get the property inspected, usually put a little bit of money down for that so you can negotiate or inspect the house, make sure you're getting everything you wanted out of it. There's no surprises. You get the property inspected. You should use a licensed inspector. They give you this huge report. It comes back, there could be issues. Plumbing, electrical, HVAC, foundation, there could be all kinds of issues. There's usually tons of small issues. But let's just say there's a bigger type of issue. It could be smaller ones too, but let's say a bigger one. Let's pick on HVAC. Big deal in Houston. It's the summer. It's freaking hot. If your HVAC isn't performing right, you're going to have a miserable summer. So you're going to buy a house and be in a miserable situation because you didn't take care of the HVAC. So you get the inspection report back. It goes over HVAC, talks about it's not cooling, things are happening. Some agents will take the inspection report and they'll say, please repair HVAC system according to section 23B or whatever it is in the inspection report, and they'll leave it at that. Super vague. I'm not saying it's unprofessional, but I believe there's a higher level of professionalism. So we have that HVAC part comes back in the inspection. What I will tell you to do, number one, look at that part, see what it's about. You should get at least one. I would say if you want to go over the top, get 3 HVAC, licensed HVAC technicians in your state to go and look at this inspection report, go to the property, inspect the HVAC system, and have them come back with their findings. Now you have 3 professionals that are licensed that have told you their professional opinion. It's not just one, which could seem a little biased, right? And maybe largely in your favor, but 3 that are 3 licensed professionals telling you the truth. Now you can take the inspection report, package it with the findings of the HVAC system reports that you got come back from the professionals. Now you can put together in Word a really great negotiation opportunity for your client. So you take that inspection report, the 3 HVAC inspections, and now you can go in and you can submit with proof and you can submit with options. It can say, based on the 3 licensed inspections that we got from HVAC professionals, we believe that A, B, C, and D need to be taken care of. Here are the options. If you look at the pricing of the invoices we got from the HVAC professionals, we believe that value is around $3,000. So we can either take $3,000 in a contribution, we can have an invoice paid at closing, or we can have it fixed by one of these HVAC technicians that we trust prior to closing. We'll let you pick. If you want to pick the cheapest one, fine, they're one of ours. It is what it is. And we want it done by this licensed professional and be done before closing. And the cool thing about it is you've actually taken the work out for that listing agent. You've taken the work out for the seller. You've given them the solutions. You've shown them all the problems. You put it right in their face for them to be able to make a really good decision, as opposed to being very vague and leaving yourself open to interpretation or open to the seller kind of taking it their way and doing the way they want to do it. And you've really ultimately represented your client to the fullest by taking the extra steps and getting professionals and data and prices and options to your seller to benefit your client, your buyer. That is what a true professional should do. I call this doing the work. Is it more difficult? Does it take more time? Does it take more energy? Yes, but that's what you want for your mom, your dad, your family member. That's what you want for you in a professional negotiation, is the best possible representation. And this is how you do it. I'm sorry, sending over with just an inspection report and amendment, kind of boo-boo, kind of lackluster, not fully professional. Sending it over with the inspection report and professional invoices, professional opinions, prices, scopes of work, and you as the agent putting together different options for the seller to make a decision based on these professional scopes of work, that is how you represent your client. That's how you get the most for your buyers. That's how you win in negotiation. Stop half-assing things and do a better job. Do the work. I hope this helps. That's how you negotiate the best option period for your client. I hope this educates people, takes you to the next level. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.